so welcome to Pinnacle Pro Trader training, which I'm going to take you to in the room in a second. Well, just so you know, so we've got the way we conduct this training is done in a small room. It's not too many people because I want to make sure I get to know every single person in that room. Plus we've had 2 people fly in from America, one is flown in from Paris and one from Slovenia. So we do really have a nice international crowd, and I really, you know, I really value that they've made the effort. A lot of those students are on the prop fund, which means they're going to be learning to trade, and then they're also going to be trading funds that are allocated to them, whether there's 25k in the pot or 200k in their first year. So that's quite a big life-changing amount for some people. That's not the end though. If they're on the 200k, that carries on growing if your performance shows and reflects that, and we keep going on till up to 2 million is the maximum at the moment. So 2 million of funds that you take and you split the profits with me, and we've got a very strong agreement so everyone's happy and everyone makes a lot of money. The aim is learn how to trade properly, not the amateur way, not the short-term gains, etc. We are making consistent long-term returns, and the number one problem that I'm fixing here is that most people in forex trading, they're doing it in a way that is the get-rich-quick thing, because most people are trading with a very small account and trying to make it grow really fast, which is not possible to do, and it's definitely not consistent. It's not consistent. So what I'm fixing here is the capital problem. We're giving you capital so that you don't have to worry about trading like an erratic individual. You can trade sophisticated in a sophisticated manner, and you can make long-term returns and do it year upon year and make a lot of money. So that's what we're doing. Have a look at the training yourself and see what you think, and also hopefully you hear some of the feedback from the students and how they found it. Enjoy. Speak to you soon. Bye.
Non-yen pairs. Okay, forget that 5th one, right? So right now.
Hi, my name's Denise, and I'm currently attending the Fortune Academy trading course. What I think about it is I've got real insight into trading. They teach you different strategies of how to trade, and also risk management, which I find very important. Lee is very good at like teaching the course. He breaks it down, he simplifies it, so it's not too complicated. And I find that if I've got a problem, if I'm not sure of something, I can approach the staff, and I find that very helpful. As for Heather, I think she's a really good trader. She knows her stuff. She brings out the best in you. She helps you to gain confidence. She wishes to, you know, if you've got what your weaknesses and strengths are, that you can work on your weaknesses, which I find really good.
12 a.m. to 8 a.m. Any hour within that is my favourite. Now, I've had brain surgeons in a room like this, and you know, people working, so, you know, surgeons effectively, who was like, I can't do that because I'm doing a night shift or whatever, which is cool. I've had some students that got really tired and they woke up dead early, like they're like, I'm going to trade 4 a.m. I was like, really? Like 4 a.m? If it really works for you and you get enough sleep, that's great, but if you're sacrificing sleep for this, don't do it. I'd rather you find a time that's better.
Hi guys, my name is Marita. You might have seen me before on Hither's page. So I've come back. I started my trading journey with Hither in November, and I've come back to refresh on the course. To be honest, I do this because one, sometimes you forget things, sometimes you don't pick things up on the first time, and you kind of don't actually realise that you've not picked something up until you come back on the second time. And two is, honestly, I feel like what Hither says, your network is your net worth, and to be honest, you want to surround yourself with people that are doing exactly the same as you, or on the same journey as you. And to be honest, this is the best way to do it, is to spend 3 days with people that are like you, and it just re-energizes you to go on and carry on with your trades and be better in the future. So definitely come back and make use of the lifetime agreement that you have with Hither.
Yep. So your conscious brain is there and your subconscious is here, your mind that is. When you start going home and going back to your environment, you start losing 7 trades at 10 and you have a depressing month, because you will possibly have 7 losing months, which is horrible, I'm telling you that now, and you will want to kill someone because you'll be like, this is really not fun. But you could have 4 months in profit and you could be shit hot as a trader, because you can make a lot of profit in a few months, but it's about the risk management. So trust me, it gets depressing if you haven't got this fixed and if you're fully attached to money, because that's where the problems lie, you know. And that's why I work on this so much, because this is 85% of the trading success, is working on this level. Zero boxing.
The amount of messages.
Hello everybody, my name is Mike Walsh. I'm from Dallas, Texas. I attended this Pinnacle trading event. It's my first event. Learning the ropes of trading Forex. I myself am ex-military. I was in the U.S. Coast Guard, and there's a lot of similarities between anybody that's in the military. The rule-based sets, the discipline that you learn, the strategies of making it through the day and be able to do all your rigorous jobs in the military. There's very similar principles of that order and discipline in the Forex trading that we learn here. The instructors here are amazing. Lee is spot on. It'd be surprising if he was an ex-military, just because the fact this is very regimented. Any of the military guys are full on risk, and we all already know what the jobs are. And Lee's very relatable, makes it very comforting to listen to. Hither's always amazing, very inspirational with her focus at making everybody successful. And you know, you'll learn a lot in 3 days. It's a pretty intense course, but as you dedicate yourself to it and open up your mind, you'll be able to learn on and learn a lot. So I encourage anybody that's ex-military and or from the States, if you're thinking about doing this, you can reach out to me and I'm happy to give you any type of information about it and suggestions on what to do. But yeah, I highly encourage you guys to take on the journey for the Fortune Academy.
Hi guys, my name's Dave. I'm an engineer from Coventry. Within the 3 days of the course on the Pinnacle Trading Pro, I've learned a lot about mind setting, which I've never really come across. I found that very good and motivational. Regards how Hither, she's my mentor, she teaches all the principles of the mindset, and there's also like an opportunity to go on a millionaire mindset, which is very interesting, which I'm looking into. I've initially started on the 200k prop fund, which is new this year. My tutor Lee, he has been teaching me 2 different strategies, which are very knowledgeable. I don't think you can get that anywhere else as well. It's very high level trading strategies, which are very good.
Grateful for, because we wouldn't be here without this amazing lady. So
it's a team effort. Team effort. And for Lee, and for G, and